Good morning, everyone. Rick Adams here. It is 7:25 Tuesday morning, December 19th, 2023, and we're going to do some day trading. The markets are green across the board in terms of index futures. Dow up 79, E-mini S&P's up 10, NASDAQ up 26, Russell up $17.40, now 50 cents, and commodities are mixed to mostly positive. On the scanner, movers and shakers this morning, Bristol Myers up 0.25% on 2.5 million shares traded already. Uber up 0.1% on 1.2 million shares. Apple up 0.5% on less than 1 million shares. Nvidia down 1.5% on 1 million shares. Got Microsoft up a little over 1/3%. And Coinbase up 1.75%. Hut 8 up 4.7%. Rivian up 1.1% and Block Inc. up 1.3%. So there's some decent movers in there. Got some economic data coming out in about 3 minutes. We got building permits. The estimate 1.47 million, prior number 1.49 million, and we've got housing starts coming out as well. Estimate 1.36 million, prior number 1.37 million. So we'll see what those numbers are when they come out and how the markets react to them. Algorithms will probably go crazy and pound on the index futures. So we'll see how things shape up when all the activity settles down. As things stand right now, I'm looking to trade, as usual, the Qs, the 403 call expiring December 22nd. That's 3 days from today. It has a delta of 74.5, open interest 5,971. Right now at this moment, the Q's last print 407.93, so that puts the 403 call $4 and what I say 407.93, so $4.93 in the money. So again, about 2 minutes until the building permits and housing starts hit, and then we will be 1 hour from the opening bell. I will see you then. 2 minutes until the open. The numbers did come out at 7:30. Building permits came in at 1.46 million, below the estimate of 1.47 million. Housing starts came in at 1.56 million, above the estimate of 1.36 million, and the prior number was revised downward from 1.37 million to 1.36 million. Not a lot of reaction in the market to those numbers. When I spoke about an hour ago, or a little over an hour ago, the last print on the Qs was 407.93, and it is right now at 407.57. And the tentative plan was to trade the 403 call expiring December 22nd, and that plan is now official. That's what I'm looking to trade. And about a minute to go until the opening bell. Switching over to the scanner really quick. Bristol Myers still at the top of the list with a little over 2.5 million shares traded. Nvidia down 1.3%. Snapchat down 3.75%. So Nvidia, Snap, Uber, Apple, Tesla, all trading more than 1 million shares pre-market. Affirm trading more than 1 million shares, up 5%. And Kenvue up 6%. Looks like Sunrun up 6%, and Block up 1.1%, and Lyft down about 3.2%. So there are some movers in there. We got about 20 seconds to go. I forgot to mention earlier also in terms of events taking place today, Richmond Fed President Tom Barkin is going to speak in about a minute. So right when the market opens, he'll be talking. And then 11:30 this morning, Atlanta Fed President Raphael Bostic will be speaking. So not sure what the reactions in the market will be. There's the bell. Okay, I'm going to start with a 1 lot. There we go, 552 is my entry. Plan is to trade up to 30 lots. We'll see what actually takes place. Current 1 minute candle pulling back off the high there of 408.36. I'm going to add. I got 5 lots now. My average price $5.94. Next add will likely be a buy on a dip. So if the Qs pull back into VWAP and perhaps even below the 9-period SMA, I will add there. RSI is incredibly strong right now in the 70s, so I don't want to add yet while the markets are this strong. I want to add into weakness. Okay, that candle is now closed. The 837 candle is closed. We're on the 838 candle now. So I want to see a higher high and a higher low, preferably a close above the previous candle's close, and also this current candle, I'd like to see it above VWAP and the 9-period SMA. RSI is hovering in the middle. Might be a good opportunity to add. 10 seconds left on this candle, almost. There we go, there's 10 seconds. Okay, I'm going to add. I've got 20 lots, average price about $6. $5.99 and 9/10 thanks to commissions. Got a little fraction in there. Okay, this is pulling back some. I'm going to take some profit off the table. So there's $322 right there. I may add back in a bit. 10 seconds left on this candle. 9-period SMA 408.02, last print 408.02. Okay, so we're picking up a little bit. I'm going to add 15. So I've got 20 lots now. My average price $6 even. Okay, it's almost 9:15, 45 minutes into the trading day. I still have my 20 lots. Average price $6. Mid price in the market right now $6.20. I'm offering 30 to get out. The Qs are still showing strength, holding above the 9-period SMA and VWAP. Oh, and I'm out. There we go. $585 profit on the 20 lots that I had there. For a net profit of $907.54 on the day. I am done for the day. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.